In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Discord ID. By the end, you'll know how to grab your own user ID and how to copy someone else's, which is handy for moderation, bot permissions, or when support asks for it. A Discord ID is a long, unique number that identifies an account, and you'll need to turn on a hidden setting to see the option to copy it. Start by opening Discord on your computer, either the desktop app or the browser. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the small gear icon next to your avatar. That's user settings. Click it to open your settings panel. In the left sidebar, scroll until you find the section labeled Advanced. Inside Advanced, toggle on Developer Mode. This switch unlocks options that let you copy IDs across Discord. Don't worry, turning this on doesn't change what others see. It just adds extra tools for you. If you ever stop needing it, you can come back here and toggle it off. With Developer Mode enabled, let's grab your own ID. In the left sidebar, go to My Account. On the main panel, find the three dots near your profile details. Click those dots and choose Copy User ID. Discord will place the number on your clipboard immediately. If you want to confirm it worked, paste into a note or a message to yourself. You'll see a long string of digits. That's your unique user ID. Now, if you need someone else's user ID, navigate to their profile. You can do that from a server member list, a chat window, or a direct message. Click their name or avatar to open the profile card. Look for the More menu, usually represented by three dots. Click More, then select Copy User ID. Again, the number is copied to your clipboard instantly. If you don't see the Copy User ID option, double check that Developer Mode is still turned on in advanced settings, then try again. A few quick tips. IDs are not passwords and don't grant access to accounts, but they are unique identifiers. Share them only when necessary. If your Discord interface looks slightly different, focus on the same labels, user settings, advanced, developer mode, and the three-dot menus. And remember, you can paste the ID into any text field to store or send it as needed. That's it. You've enabled developer mode, copied your own user ID, and learned the alternate way to copy another user's ID. Thanks for watching and happy Discording.